fun and fierce. Today we're counting down the most iconic muscle cars. Starting off the list at number 5 is the 1955 Thunderbird. When the Thunderbird was introduced in 1955, it was intended to compete with the Chevrolet Corvette. The T-Bird is possibly most known for its cameo in the 1973 movie American Graffiti, starring Richard Dreyfuss and Ron Howard.
Wait, what did you say? What did you say? Quick.
Coming next is the 1964 GTO. This car was designed by John DeLorean. Yes, that DeLorean. The GTO, or the GOAT, was the first real muscle car. The GTO produced 325 horsepower, which was more than anyone had ever seen. The GTO truly paved the way for muscle cars today. Coming in third is the 1964 and a half Ford Mustang. The Ford Mustang was brought out 5 months before the normal start of the 1965 production year. This is why it's often referred to as the 1964 and a half model. The Mustang was Ford's most successful launch since the Model A. And coming in at runner-up is the 1963 split-window Stingray Corvette. The 63 Corvette was the beginning of the second generation of Corvettes and the first Stingray. The split-window aspect has made this car very famous and very difficult to get your hands on. All these muscle cars are iconic, but let's check out some that didn't quite make the list. And topping off the list as the most iconic muscle car, the 1965 Shelby Cobra. Genuine Shelby Cobras have sold at auction for upwards of $1 million. That's right, $1 million for a 50-year-old car. I hope you enjoyed the list, and I'd like to know what you think the most iconic muscle cars are.